Artificial intelligence now helping home cooks create and modify recipes.
Rich DeMuro tries out a new AI cooking assistant. Good morning.
Hi.
Good morning. It's always so nervous to cook for other people, right? If it's just you, your wife, your kids, no big deal. When it comes to other people, that's when the stakes are higher. And cooking can always be challenging or relaxing, but either way, AI is having an impact in the kitchen. Today I'm taking a look at a new tool that can help with everything from modernizing grandma's recipe to figuring out substitutions and more.
Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
AI is changing everything, including the way we cook.
People don't feel so lonely in the kitchen anymore.
Babette Pepai is founder of BakeSpace.com.
The recipe is really the beginning of the conversation. It's where you meet people who are interested in cooking.
The community for cooking has been around since 2006, but there's a new feature.
Putting a hole or slits in the top of the pie allows steam to escape.
It's called BakeBot AI, sort of like ChatGPT, but just for cooking. Plus, it can talk you through the entire process.
You basically are like, here's what I want, and BakeBot's like, let me help you.
BakeBot AI can turn any idea into a recipe, help with modifications, and even fix up old recipes. We took this handwritten recipe for a rhubarb pie, which didn't include instructions, and asked to make it vegan. So I think we're gonna modify this recipe first, right? So we're gonna make this recipe vegan. AI had us swap eggs for applesauce.
Ready to start cooking?
We tossed the simple ingredients together.
Who would have known that a pie is a lot of sugar?
Then placed in the oven.
Moment of truth. We're gonna try our pie.
Rhubarb, so I'm really excited.
The pie, a combo of sweet and sour.
It's delicious, and I'm sorry you can't have any.
I'm glad to hear the pie turned out delicious. Don't worry about me. I'm just happy to have helped.
Bottom line, an AI companion makes you feel confident in the kitchen.
And that kind of empowerment, I think, will completely change how people cook.
Rhubarb pie.
One of my favorites every year. My sister-in-law makes this every year, and it's always one of my favorites. Who eats rhubarb? I don't even know.
It's great for the holidays.
It's good for the holidays.
In a pie, it's good.
With a lot of sugar.
Yes.
BakeSpace has one more neat feature. It can turn your collection into a digital cookbook, so sharing your favorite recipes is easier. I've got a link to not only the recipe we used, but also BakeBot AI. Just go to my website. It's richontech.tv. Yeah, rhubarb. We had to use frozen because it's tough
you couldn't find the fresh rhubarb.
Yeah, so if you're using frozen, you really want to like squeeze out the extra water because it's going to make your pie a little bit runny.
Right.
Now, I'm a baking expert now.
I know, all these tips.
AI.
Fantastic.
All thanks to
Thank
AI.
you, Rich.
Henry